Top 5 Best Vinyl Record Washers. Number 5. Spin Clean Limited Edition N. The Spin Clean Limited Edition doesn't try to impress with noise or complexity. It just works. Quietly. Like something built by people who understand vinyl is ritual, not rush. No power, no setup drama, just a basin, fluid, and motion. Both sides of the record get cleaned at once. Simple idea, executed well. The redesigned feet keep it steady, no slipping, no frustration. Small detail, big difference. The alcohol-free solution feels intentional. Gentle but effective. Dirt, fingerprints, even years of neglect gone. Old records don't just look better, they sound alive again. That's the point. It handles everything. 33s, 45s, 78s without complaint. And with enough solution for thousands of cleans, it's built for the long game, not quick wins. There are flashier machines out there, louder ones, more expensive ones. But this is different. It's reliable, honest. The kind of tool that earns its place over time. Not magic. Just disciplined design doing exactly what it promises. Coming in number 4, HumminGuru Orbit Static Remover. The HumminGuru Orbit Static Remover feels like a quiet correction to an old problem. Static was always part of vinyl. Accepted, tolerated, never really solved. Until something like this shows up and refuses to play along. No trigger, no guessing distance, no ritual works. Just place it, press start, and let it rotate. 10 spins, evenly distributing both positive and negative ions like a balance. That balance is the trick. Static doesn't stand a chance when both sides cancel it out. It's not dramatic. No loud suction, no complicated setup. Just a soft hum and a fan pushing out millions of ions with intention. The result? The background disappears. Pops fade. Music steps forward. It doesn't fix scratches. It doesn't pretend to. But what it removes, static noise, is often the bigger villain than people realize. Especially on older records, where time and handling have built up invisible interference. Rechargeable, simple, almost stubbornly focused on one job. And it does that job well. Not essential for everyone, but once used, hard to go back. Coming in number 3, Spin Clean Record Washer Kit. The Spin Clean Record Washer Kit doesn't pretend to be modern. It doesn't need to. It's the kind of tool that quietly survives decades because it solves a real problem. Dirt in the grooves. No power, no noise. Just a basin, brushes, and a simple motion. A few turns forward, a few back. Both sides get cleaned at once. The new snap-in rollers and wedge-fit brushes keep everything in place, like a system that finally learned from its own history. The fluid is alcohol-free, gentle, but not weak. It pulls out what eyes miss. Old oils, dust, years of neglect. The proof shows up in sound, not looks. Less noise between tracks, more space in the music. Sometimes dramatically so. It's not elegant, not something to display, and it's not built for quick one-record sessions. This is batch work, ritual work, the kind that asks for time and gives something back. Records that seemed fine suddenly sound better. Records that sounded rough come back to life, unless they're physically damaged, of course. Nothing fixes that. Simple. A little stubborn. Still one of the most honest tools in vinyl care. Coming in number 2, HumminGuru Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner. The Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner doesn't just clean records, it removes excuses. 240 kHz ultrasonic emitters go to work beneath the surface, where brushes can't reach. Tiny debris, the kind that ruins a quiet passage, gets shaken loose without harming the vinyl. It's precise, almost surgical. Drop the record in, press a button, walk away. It washes and dries in one cycle. No rituals, no hovering, just clean, dry vinyl ready to play. That alone changes the habit, from effort to routine. It's compact, thoughtfully designed, even hides its own cable like it knows clutter is the enemy. Water use is minimal, reused smartly, nothing wasted. The sound improvement is where it earns its place. Records that crackled calm down. Some that felt lost become playable again. Not perfect, damage is still damage, but the noise that shouldn't be there disappears. There's a bit of sound during operation, a reminder that something real is happening. And yes, it's not cheap, but time matters. And so does the music. This machine respects both. Coming in number 1, HumminGuru Easy Record Washer. The HumminGuru Easy Record Washer feels like someone finally respected the process. The clamp is the first clue. Press down, lock in, and the label stays dry. No anxiety, no careful dodging. It holds the record like it matters, because it does. Then the motion. A simple handle, smooth and controlled. No fingers on grooves, no awkward spinning, just steady rotations while soft goat hair brushes do the real work, lifting grime, fingerprints, and the quiet buildup of years. It's efficient in a way manual cleaning rarely is. Consistent, even. The kind of clean that doesn't depend on patience or guesswork. The drying rack is a quiet win. 8 records at once, air drying while everything stores neatly underneath. No mess, no clutter left behind. This isn't trying to replace ultrasonic machines. It knows its role. Pre-cleaning, done right. The heavy lifting before the fine detail. Used alone, it's already strong. Paired pre-cleaning, done right. The heavy lifting before the fine detail. Used alone, it's already strong. Paired with something deeper, it becomes part of a system that makes records sound the way they should have all along. Simple idea. Executed with care. Executed with care.